Hi friends, here you can see this is my new earbuds. I bought this from Amazon, Realme Buds Air 3S, and I'm going to unbox this and show you how exactly it looks from inside and what other things are there inside in this box. Let me open for you. You can see this 10 minutes of charge. You can play for more than 5 hours, and let me open and let me show more. So here it comes. This is how it looks, and here is few books, the catalogs you can go through. Hi, Realme fan, and this is the Type C cable which comes in yellow color, and this is how the case, black color case of this Realme Bud Air 3S. It look pretty beautiful. Ready to live. It's good. It's very compact, and it looks very premium at this cost at 139 dirham. That's it. Yeah, it's very good, beautiful. Thank you for watching my video.